When we moved into this house, we were attracted by the fact that it had the pool, which moving into the suburbs gives us some activity to reach towards at our house, but it was rather unkempt. The concrete and bricks around the pool were trip hazards, so it really limited us from enjoying our backyard to its full potential. With the transformations last year, we're out here almost every day. We don't have to worry about hazards, inviting other people over, so we really get to fully enjoy and utilize our backyard now. We started working with swimming pool services when we bought this house. We found out after getting to meet some of the folks in the store that they had a history on our house. They had done some repairs on it before. The staff and owners have been incredible to work with. Kind, supportive. They've taught us along the way so that we can become smarter pool owners and be more successful in keeping our backyard. And the kids love it. They love going into the store. Mike knows us by name. The second we walk in the door, he always has. So it's a really just nice, informative group to work with. Something that surprised us about working with swimming pool services is that they have expertise in the whole project. We knew we needed more than just a concrete job in the backyard, having a pool. So we knew with the plumbing involved, we needed to reach out to a pool company. Their expertise, especially in the landscaping. I mean, if you look at around here as a bit more of an oasis, it was quite overgrown with all sorts of things that maybe weren't native and didn't belong before. Neil was fantastic in helping us figure out what to get, where to put it, how to keep it low maintenance so it was beautiful but also worked for our lifestyle. So I think really having just all of that expertise in one was really helpful. With our backyard transformation, we're able to get out here and enjoy more of the time together in the pool and not be working so much on keeping it up to speed. So jumping right in the pool with the kids and having a good time, right?